Hello everyone, welcome back to KK Creations Official. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am making two types of chutney which you can use in Ramadan. So let's get started. To make green chutney you need coriander, mint, cumin seeds, garlic cloves, green chilies. In a blender, put all the ingredients. Add salt to your taste. Add water as required. Blend it. Green chili chutney is ready. To make chili flakes chutney, you need chili flakes, cumin seeds, garlic cloves, peppers, cloves, tomato. Put all the ingredients in blender. Add salt to taste. Add water as required. Blend it. Add cooking oil. Mix it. Chili flakes chutney is ready. Don't forget to make these chutney this Ramzan. I hope you like the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, comment, share it with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.